Good morning everyone. I welcome all of you in today's lesson. In today's lesson we learn possessive article in German language. What all are possessive article in German language and how we are going to use that. Let's see. First of all, we learn what is possessive article and how we are going to use in a sentence. Possessive article indicate who owns what. That shows ownership and affiliation. They comes before the noun. The form of possessive article depend on the person it is referring to. Like, mein Freund ist 25 Jahre alt. My friend, referring to me. My is a possessive article. Mine. Sein Hund. Sein means his. Hund, dog, is 4 Jahre alt. His dog is 4 years old. Seine Katze, his cat is 1 Jahr alt. So sein is a possessive for his, and E is for feminine, Katze, seine Katze. Let's see how we are going, what all are possessive article and how we are going to use. Like, we know every noun has a gender in German, like masculine, feminine, neutral and plural, and meaning. Ich normally with ourselves, my. We use mine with masculine thing, like mein Vater. For feminine, we say meine. For neutral, mine, plural, meine, meaning is mine. And if we talk about Hindi, in Hindi we say mera, meri. Mere papa, ya mera pen, or meri mummy, for feminine is meri. Du, your. Dein, for feminine thing, deine. Neutral, dein, plural, deine, meaning yours. And in Hindi we say tumhara, tumhari. तुम्हारे पापा, तुम्हारी मम्मी, er. In English we say his, but here for masculine thing sein, for feminine seine, neutral sein, plural seine. For sie normally her, ihr, her, ihre for feminine, ihr for neutral, ihre for plural. Sein normally means it, या his, it भी बोल सकते हैं इसको because it's a neutral. Sein, seine, sein, seine. Wir, unser, unsere, our, unser, unsere. And Hindi में हमारा, हमारी. Ihr, euer, eure, euer, eure. Yours, yours. Sie, ihr, ihre, ihr, ihre, their. Sie, I capital. Here, era, here, era, you formal. Like Hindi we say आपका, आपका, आपकी. Let's see some more example. And ish, I. For ish we have a mine, minor, mine, minor. Mera, meri. So ish heißt Tom, I am Tom. Mein Vater is asked. So mein Vater is masculine, we use mine. Meine Mutter is Hausfrau. So Mutter is feminine, we use meine. Das ist mein Hund. Masculine, we use mine. Mein Hund ist 4 Jahre alt. Masculine, mine. Das ist meine Katze. Katze is feminine, then we use meine. Meine Katze is Sean. My cat is beautiful. Du. For du we have dein, deine, dein, deine. Your. Tumhara. Du heißt Tom. You to be called Tom. Dein Vater heißt Hans. Your father called her. Deine Mutter heißt Lina. Your mother, feminine, deine. Deine Tasha is Sean. Your bag is beautiful. Bag is also feminine, that's why it's deine. Er. For er we have a sein, seine, sein, seine. His. Er is Bruno. He is Bruno. Sein Vater. His father is Lehrer. His father is teacher. Seine Mutter. Feminine. Seine. Seine Mutter is Hausfrau. Sie, ihr, ihre, ihr, ihre, her. Sie is Anna, she is Anna. Ihr Vater, her Vater is Lehrer. Ihre Mutter, feminine, we have ihre. Mutter is feminine, ihre, Lehrerin. Tasha is again feminine, then it's ihre Tasha is Sean. Her bag is very beautiful. It. Neutral. Das, sein, seine, seine. It's das ist ein Kind. This is a kind. Es ist 4 Jahre alt. It is 4 years. Das ist sein Hund. This is its Hund. Yeah, his Hund. We can say. Das ist seine Katze. This is its Katze. Yeah, his Katze. Because we have the same for S and L. Sein, seine. Wir. Unser, unsere. Hamara, hamari. Wir sind Geschwister. We are siblings. Unsere Hund is sehr alt. Our dog is very old. Unser Hund is masculine. Unsere Katze is sehr schön. Our cat is very beautiful. Unsere, feminine. Ihr, euer, eure. You all. Yours. Is das euer Hund? Is this yours dog? Is das eure Katze? Is this your cat? For feminine, I and I. For masculine, I. Sie, ihr, ihre, they. Sie haben ein Auto. They have a car. Ihr Auto is neu. Their car is new. It's the first word, that's why it's capital, otherwise it's small. Their car is neu. Sie haben eine Katze. They have a cat. Ihre Katze is schön. Katze is feminine, so ihre Katze is schön. Sie, formal, capital. Ihre. Here we have a I capital. Meaning is you formal. Sind Sie Herr Weber? Are you Herr Weber? Is this Ihr Auto? Is this yours car? You formal. Hindi we say आपकी. या आपका. Is this Ihre Katze? Is this your cat? Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, any concern, just write us below. Have a nice day.